Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nilamarjana speaking. This is the last presentation on quantitative aptitude. Paper CAT going to content on 28. Here some questions are there followed by some answers. And it is all a self-explanatory. No need to repeat. I'll simply give the main points. There is one figure is there. You have to answer 1 to 3. Average speed, total distance traveled, length of the road. Here, a simple arithmetic. Some people have 480 denims. Some people are selected. Some people not approached. Some people not attended. So 32 more original. All extra people, all the attended people to teach 32 more seat. So what is the number of people who, how many people failed to appointed not attended? Is a very below question 2 to the power 87 minus 2 to 84 minus 2 to 86. This question looks same. If you follow different, it will different. You do not take 84 2 to the power 84 common, then your calculation will be different. That's because this question is easy, but if you make wrong attempt, your answer will be wrong. Here are very good questions. This is the how many men, women, children can work, what is the salary as per their capability, and answer is man 75.6 per man, 315 per woman, 40. All self-explanatory. Daily wage of a child is 7 rupees. Very daily, no need to repeat. Here a cube. Mind it, you check all the formula of mensuration and geometry. Cube, what is cubed? What is the difference between cube and cubed? What is the volume of the cube? What is the length of the cube? If you know the diagonal, you cannot answer. 4 to the as to the root 3 into as is the diagonal. Simple, if you know the formula, you can calculate. Here also, on a problem on function, what is fx? What is fy? What is fx plus y? Fx minus y. Then what is the answer of fx plus y? Function f to the and function fxy plus fx minus y. Here this is a critical question. You have to know you should know it. dq by df. If you know it, dq by df is equal to pq by fe, because the pq is equal to fe. If you know this thing, then you can easily answer. Here also I have given the formula at the end of the chapters. This is a based on formula, but you should know that what is the geometrical calculation. dq by df is equal to qr by d. If you know this thing, you can do it. Here 1 to the 2 square root over 1 plus 1 to the 2 square root 1 plus 3 square root over plus up to 1 plus 202 square plus 10202 q square root over. If you calculate the first from the beginning, you can know it. It's very easy, but you should know what is the trick. Our answer will come 2021 minus 1 by 2021. This is self-explanatory. Here find the remainder of 2 to the 18 by divide 23. Here only you know this formula. Remainder of the a to the n divided by n plus 1. When n plus 1 is a prime, remainder is always 1. Here 23 is the prime. Here 23 is the prime, that's why it is 1. Cat is nothing. What is the volume of the sphere? What is the volume of cone? then volume of sphere divided by cone. But here the cone is different. The cone is different. Right circular cone. Your formula is different. It is 1 by 3 pi r square. But better you go 1 to 3 problem in your textbook, because this is a slightly because not a normal cone in a normal cone is a 1 by 3 pi r square. Volume is a 4 by 3 pi r square easily, but not a normal the right circular cone. You check it. Need another practice. Here is a sum of the third 15. You should know what is the arithmetic progression. First is A, second is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, like this. If you know this, you can answer it. Below problem, log m into n. Log mn is equal to log m plus log n. If you don't know this thing, these 4 options you can do it. If you don't know, you cannot do it. Log mn is equal to log m plus log n. Found the compound interest of here. Compound interest calculate what is mentioned below. RT interest compound half yearly. That means R is equal to R by 2. In formula n you have to write 2n. If it mention quarterly, you have to mention R by 400. That formula will be 4n, like this. Here tan theta is sec theta is m. What is the sec theta? A very completely self-explanatory. No need to answer will come m square plus 1 by 2m. Here find the value. Very anybody can see outside very complete. 5 degrees, sine 5 degrees, sine 15 degrees, sine 20 degrees, sine 39 degrees, sine 50 degrees. Nobody know this question. But what I mention inside? Sine 180 degree. What is sine 180? Sine 180 degree 0. So answer will be 0. Here the pie chart. You pie chart know everything figure is divided. Total internal angle is 360. He mentioned 75, that portion is 7 by 360, 40 by 360, 90 by 360, 80 degree by 360. Accordingly, calculate what is the fund allocated for the midday food, for the standard 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can easily calculate. Side of a cube increased by 20%, volume increased by what? You should know what is the cube. Cubed is difference between cube, all the sides are equal. In cubed, all the sides are not equal. Then height of a cylinder increased by 15%, radius increased by 10%. What is the cylinder height? Pi r square h. Then what is the cylinder height increase? 15%. What is the new height? 1.15. What is the radius? New radius 1.1. Polygon having the 12 sides. How many polygon? Triangle. Triangle, what is the triangle vertices? 3. Polygon vertices 12. 12 by 12 C3 is 220. Here is the problem. How many way 30% can be seated in a circular table 16 seat. Mind it, this I mentioned concept because this type of calculus will not come in the examination by no calculator there. You only want to know 30% selecting 16% from 30 is equal to 30C 16. 16% can arrange among themselves in 15 ways. You calculate 16% can arrange themselves in factorial 15 ways, and selecting 16 from 30, 30C 16. You multiply it. What is the probability of solving the problem? 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 8. These people can solve 1 by 6, 1 by 5. So which way they cannot solve? 5 by 6, 4 by 5, 3 by 4, and 7 by 8. You multiply it. What is the way? 7 and 16 they cannot solve. And how many ways they can solve? 9 by 16. Self-explanatory. 2 containers, milk and white, 3:1, 4:1. Very good. Milk cut it 3 by 4, water 1 by 4. 4 by 5, water 1 by 5. What is the milk, total milk? 31 by 20. What is the water? 9 by 20. What is the milk water new container? 31 by 9. Here is the geometrical. I deliberately mentioned you should know that there is a parallelogram, there is a triangle. You should know what is the relationship, because due to time study I could not produce any problem in geometry. Only 2 problem are there. You know this thing. Any one question can be asked in the examination. Because the last presentation before CAT, I am not going to present any quantitative before 28. So you check the formula before going. Check all the mentions of formula, all the formula of geometry, all the formula. You can easily know the logic depends upon the formula and English. To check all the formula and geometry, also particular geometry is difficult, not difficult. If you know the formula, know the relationship, it is very easy. Then polygon. This question are coming frequently. Polygon, What is the number of side? The exterior angle of polygon 360 number of sides, and the sum of all interior 2n/4 in 90 degree. Sum of the exterior 360 degree. Number of diagonals of polygon of n side n into n minus 2/2. This problem remember. Number of diagonals of polygon n side n into n minus 3/2. I gave a one octagon. Octagon means it is number side 8. Sum of angle 1080. Number of diagonal n into n minus 3/2 is equal to 20. With this presentation, this is finished. If you like, subscribe, put the bell. Thank you.